I found out that the success of putting stuff together is to actually look at the book.
Oh, you did? What?
The directions.
You did not surrender.
We're gonna have to.
Okay.
It's the only thing I haven't found somehow. There are other places.
Some ringing dinner
there are
bell
a million pretty
for the kids to
faces.
come for food.
I want peace.
We ring it for her.
And now
Want a treat? It's a good girl. Come on, let's get your treats. Good
used
girl.
to worry about the future.
Hello, family friends. This week we had a very special birthday, so we got him a trampoline. So we're going to show you how we put that together. We also got the supplies to put up the railing on our deck. This is clearly not safe, but we're going to get at that this weekend as well. So come along and we'll show you how we put this trampoline together.
Right back to the kitchen. You can almost smell the cake that your grandma made on your birthday.
Have you ever laid?
Birthday gift. It's not an Xbox, but it's big enough.
It'll bring lots of joy and fun to your life.
You'll be able to do backflips again.
That's gonna be Ethan. I'm not gonna do that though.
Why?
I think it is.
Did you know it was there?
What?
Did you know it was there?
No.
You're lying. Get his face. Get the lies in his face. Get him. Get the lies. Look at the lies.
Were you out here snooping?
He was.
No.
Did you know it was here?
No.
All your brothers had trampolines and loved them, and you loved them. And that deserved a hug?
That deserves a hug.
Open it so you can see what. If it's better than the other one.
Did you give Mitchell a hug?
I did not give Mitchell a hug.
Did the monitor come yet?
That is so like, I have to hug you. I think I'm a little late to the game.
Are you?
I was trying to get some footage of you guys putting this together before it was done.
It's not even close to being done.
There's a lot to do.
Tell our friends what this is, Eli.
I think they can tell what this is.
What is it? It's a bicycle.
It's a big bicycle that you can jump on, kids.
Yeah. Yeah, we have extras. Cool,
What
we
did
have
you
extra
get
springs.
this for? I was just telling them that we had a special birthday this week.
Yeah, whose birthday was it? Or don't say. It's okay, cool.
All right, let's see what this is. This is a trampoline that we bought.
It's a lot smaller than the other one.
It is smaller, but you know what?
It doesn't even fit two people.
Well, you're never supposed to have more than one on a trampoline anyways.
Way more fun with two people.
That's
You
the
can
reason
actually
I
do
got
stuff.
this one. Our older boys always had trampolines and they were really big, but they used to popcorn each other and that's dangerous.
It's not dangerous. It's way more fun than doing it by yourself. Who is the popcorn? I am. I
All
have
right, so
popcorn.
this is the trampoline that he got. And I'm actually a little bit surprised right now because, Frank, am I actually seeing you looking at the instructions?
No, he
okay,
only-
because back in the day when we had trampolines, they didn't have like all the
And
plug-in
you didn't
stuff.
have a hook.
We didn't have the
This
hook.
is a family channel.
Oh, sorry. We didn't have all of this protective stuff and the
Like-
hook to pull the springs
What is this?
over.
It's for the
Our trampoline was welded together, and we ripped these springs over with our bare hands. Or we did a few, and then died with the rest.
I remember that I looked at this. I got shocked.
And you got a few injuries from those springs because
How
they
does
weren't
this go
covered.
in?
Nothing.
Is it this side?
Hook it in. I'm going to do one more and you can do the next one. Ready?
Okay.
Hook it in.
Hook
Hold
it
it,
in.
hook it. Get down beside it and get both hands on it. Pull it back and then gently rest it in.
Okay.
You don't pull it like a crazy man. It's not necessary. Pull it back and hook it in. Yep.
That's a lot easier than I expected.
Well, these are easy because
I'm
these
gonna be
ones
able
are
to
nice
finish
and
them.
easy. Those ones over there are not.
Get to hear
What one?
about.
So how does it feel to be 11 now?
Do you feel a year older being
Yeah.
a kid still?
The frame together that I missed. You guys were too quick.
Really, no, you
They
just
pretty
gotta-
quick together.
No, you know, the trick, I found out that the success of putting stuff together is to actually look at the book.
Oh, what?
The directions.
You did not surrender. Are you?
Yeah.
Is this?
Only because there's certain patterns that have to be done.
We're gonna have to.
Okay.
Okay, where is this warm weather they spoke of? Because this is a little bit crazy.
That was a difficult one.
Because everything's being
Before you do any more of those,
Cause it feels like home. Feels like home. Feels like home.
the white goes up.
Oh, that's good.
The white goes up.
I guess that you can like know where the edge is.
See, that's kind of smart. You're close to the springs. Do not jump here, or you will get hurt.
There's a lot of stuff to put together still. I was gonna say you guys are going the same way.
No, that doesn't count. That was going over. No.
Yeah, come here. Do the last one.
No.
Okay, Ethan, share with our friends why we love tetherball so much.
I don't know why we love it. Oh, Napoleon Dynamite. That's why I do.
Okay, that was not the answer I was
that all of them?
expecting.
I'll do the last
Eli,
ring.
why do you love tetherball so much?
I'm gonna Napoleon Dynamite.
Napoleon Dynamite, man.
Oh my gosh, you guys are terrible.
Why does Brianna throw it?
Boo.
Remember when you did that to a young boy? Where were you?
Disney.
At Disney. Thank you.
Came back and he just ripped me in the head.
Stop catching it.
Scared of it now.
Tetherball reminds me of Disney, Ethan.
Oh yeah, on the beach.
Right?
They removed that tetherball.
Oh, or hit the road. That's why you don't catch it.
Sorry, Daddy, I took your labor away.
Just strap over, under, and onto the side of the trampoline, the rubber itself. It just goes under like this, and it just goes up here. Oh, neato.
Okay, can you do that again? I didn't get that.
Here, go under here. I can do it. I'll show you.
Hook under and put it on the spring. And that's all it is. You just hook it onto a spring. And then this goes down. Take it off.
Tie this one. You just tie it.
You just put it around the spring
Can I rip this tag off?
and just tie it in one
Daddy?
single.
Can I take this off?
One single
No.
knot.
Yeah, don't do a double knot on it, because if you do a double knot, I'll never get it off. You just do a single pull. Single pull. That's it.
Well, that's
Of course, the only one that Ethan does, and it's wrong. That's wrong. It's fine. It's good. Okay.
Are you gonna bounce now?
wow, it's just.
Don't do a backflip.
What's up?
Good.
Oh, you just got bloody nose.
Don't do a back.
Did you get hit in the ball or the face with the ball?
No.
Do a
No, that
back
was
flip.
That's what I got.
Hey,
Too dangerous.
it is with the poles on it.
Yeah, maybe we should finish doing it before you like impale yourself.
Hold on. Hold
Jump
on.
onto
Let
a
me get
pole.
on. Let me get on.
How'd you do?
I love my songs.
All of these little contraptions, you got to make sure both
See, they got to
Get through
pointing.
this-
Is that upside down?
screw. I don't think so.
No, it's good.
So yeah, you don't want those to go in upside down because
No.
then that'll be a pain.
Well, because they're
there's-
steel springed.
Yeah, so
They
there is a right way and a wrong way to put those on. Make sure that they're pointing down because they will end up fitting into this little thing because it's the dome, the protective cage that goes around it. them to be your hands. Don't be stubborn.
Hi.
What is happening? I think Daddy's ready for a coffee break. What was supposed to be a simple...
They're supposed to be bringing me back a coffee.
what was supposed to be a simple install has turned into...
Not a simple install. But
it's all good.
there's nothing easy about trampolines, especially when they've got nets like this. But supposedly it's safer.
Yeah, trampolining was one of the favorite things the boys used to do all the time. You'd find them out on the trampoline. We actually had 2 of them where they jumped from one to the other.
Gave us one because they're...
Yeah, we got one from our old neighbors, so then they decided to put them together and then they jumped from one to the other.
So like, imagine this trampoline is here and there's another trampoline there. We would go from here, no net, around the springs.
Ethan got so good he could flip from one to the other.
Yeah, he went like, are you up in the garden, baby girl?
Where'd you go? You can't go away from Mommy when you're not... Oh, what were you eating?
Was she eating your garlic?
Oh, you better not be, you little stink pot. Yeah, so these little buttons... These little buttons here need to be pointing on the exterior part of the net, because the way they click in to the pole structure.
That's it.
Was that the last one? Right. So he installed them with them all facing the inside because he thought that fit structure.
That's fitting.
Oh, see, so now
There's still something wrong here.
Have you ever been driving down the highway, looking at the sunset? It'll make you forget all the troubles every day can bring.
Have you ever been staring up at the starlight, getting pretty close to midnight? Sounds just like the wind singing your name. Feels like home.
Like a Tennessee river in the morning takes your breath without a warning.
Feels like home.
Like smoke rising up from the mountains, all the beauty surrounds.
Feels like home.
Like Elvis and Dolly singing a melody that's bringing you home. 'Cause it feels like home.
Feels like home. Feels like home.
I'm gonna take the bottom part out and slide it inside those. Okay.
I can do it.
You can do it.
Patience, Papa.
I can also go like this.
So I just have to take this.
Okay, listen. Wait,
Back
wait.
off.
Hold that for Daddy. Hold that for Daddy, Eli. The pole.
Pass me. Yeah, hold that.
Have you ever laid on your back under a poplar tree, thinking about all your memories, looking at the sky, wondering why this feels like home?
Like a Tennessee river in the morning takes your breath without a warning.
Feels like home.
Like smoke rising up from the mountains, all the beauty surrounds.
Feels like home.
Like Elvis and Dolly singing a melody that's bringing you
Home.
'Cause it feels like home.
Feels like home. Feels
It's
like
worthy of a coffee break.
This is the final result, and kind of small. I mean, like, it's not small, the trampoline is, but the height is kind of. It's like. My head can touch it.
Can you imagine Ethan jumping on that? All you're going to see is the whole middle of it going boing, boing. That's better.
Yeah, jumping with you is not.
I knew that.
So fun. So fun.
These are definitely not designed for grown big boys.
Imagine trying to do a flip or something.
Fun with a capital F.
It also kind of
Okay guys, so here is that tree that my son plunked in these urns. It literally, a couple weeks ago, and I said it was blooming, it had these leaves on it. Now it's got these little berry-like things on it. And I have no idea. I thought this was a maple tree cutting when I cut it off, but somebody said they thought it was maybe an elderberry. So who knows? We're gonna keep it here and see what we can figure out, if it'll start to root, and then we can transplant it somewhere.
Thanks for hanging out and watching us put together this fantastic trampoline. It's been a lot of fun. I hope you guys learned something, because I certainly did. Patience and virtue and prayers, and keep on keeping on, guys. Stay safe.
The future never came. Tried living in the past, but never did quite feel the same. I used to think that there was a place I would rather be, till I got there enough times to realize that you are only ever here. That's when I found peace with where I am now. It's the only